approach 30 right.
994 master, low traffic, hold in position. The ones are 310 at 6, only 30 right, there's one.
30 right, clear lanes, go start to 994.
Attached to Alpha 7, Ball showing 30 left, right turn on Whiskey, stay with me for more.
7,
FedEx653, heavy taxi via Mike and Tango to the ramp with me, we'll see you.
Mike Tango, ramp, thanks.
Up 49, control way 30 left, closed. Kind of a 1544 master, traffic, Embraer, working a 5 mile funnel, runway 30 right, level 1. Wait, kind of 1052 on Whiskey, crossing like 4. Turn off on Mike, contact ground at point 9 2 clear, we'll see you. Southwest 3469 master, good morning, all set for 17. Southwest 3469.